everyone! Welcome to English with Maya. Today we are cooking at home. In this video, you will learn 20 English sentences about cooking. Listen to each sentence carefully. Then repeat. Ready? Let's begin!
I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I chop the onions. I chop the onions. I heat the pan. I heat the pan. I fry the eggs. I fry the eggs. Mix the batter. I mix the batter. I pour the oil. I pour the oil. I stir the soup. I stir the soup. I add the salt. I add the salt. I boil the water. I boil the water. I bake the cake. I bake the cake.
I taste the food. I taste the food. I serve the meal. I serve the meal. I set the table. I set the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I dry the plates. I dry the plates.
I cut the bread. I cut the bread. I grate the cheese. I grate the cheese. I squeeze the lemon. I squeeze the lemon. I cover the pot. I cover the pot.
Wash. Wash is a verb. It means to clean something with water. For example, I wash the vegetables. Peel. Peel is a verb. It means to remove the skin of a vegetable. For example, I peel the potatoes. Chop. Chop is a verb. It means to cut something into small pieces. For example, I chop the onions. Heat. Heat is a verb. It means to make something hot. For example, I heat the pan. Pour. Pour is a verb. It means to make liquid flow from a container. For example, I pour the oil. Stir. Stir is a verb. It means to mix by moving a spoon in circles. For example, I stir the soup. Add. Add is a verb. It means to put something into a mixture. For example, I add the salt. Boil is a verb. It means to heat water until bubbles appear. For example, I boil the water. Fry. Fry is a verb. It means to cook food in hot oil in a pan. For example, I fry the eggs. Mix. Mix is a verb. It means to combine ingredients together. For example, I mix the batter. Bake. Bake is a verb. It means to cook food in the oven. For example, I bake the cake. Taste. Taste is a verb. It means to eat a little, to check the flavor. For example, I taste the food. Serve. Serve is a verb. It means to give food to someone at the table. For example, I serve the meal. Set. Set is a verb. It means to arrange things on the table for a meal. For example, I set the table.
Dishes. Dishes is a noun. It means plates and bowls used for eating. For example, I wash the dishes.
Dry. Dry is a verb. It means to remove water using a cloth. For example, I dry the plates. Cut. Cut is a verb. It means to divide something using a knife. For example, I cut the bread.
Grate.
Grate is a verb. It means to rub food on a grater to make small pieces. For example, I grate the cheese.
Squeeze. Squeeze is a verb. It means to press firmly to get liquid out. For example, I squeeze the lemon.
Cover. Cover is a verb. It means to put a lid on something. For example, I cover the pot.